Now we go on to MMO of the year. We are into deep nerd territory now, ladies and gentlemen. If there's one type of gaming that wishes you could just wear a nappy and be fed by a drip, it's massive multiplayer online. It's an association with HMV Gamerbase. It'll be presented by Sujoy Roy.
Yes, massively multiplayer online titles boast huge social communities and attract some of the most passionate gamers of all. If they're not planning galaxy-wide battles, they're getting married at cosplay conventions or getting crazy tattoos in unmentionable places. But who is this year's winner? Third place goes to Star Wars: The Old Republic. The runner-up, ladies and gentlemen, is League of Legends.
It's proper panto now. This is brilliant. Sujoy has the winner.
The winner is World of Tanks.